on the start menu here, and in the search bar, let's type the word printer, and we will select this option here that says printers and scanners. And we just have to make sure our printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as our PC. And once that's all done, let's go ahead and click on Add Device. And what it will do now, it will scan the network until it finds the printer, which is right here. I have the Epson ET2800. Now let's go ahead and click Add Device. And what it will do, it will start installing the drivers automatically here. Just give it some time, about a minute or two. Process should be pretty quick and simple. And once it's all done, it will tell us that it is ready. Now let's go ahead, go to Notepad here. Let's do a print. Let's see, let's go ahead. This is the Epson printer here. Let's go ahead, do a quick print. So we sent the print job here to the printer, and looks like it is all completed, and that is it. That's how you easily install a printer to your PC.